Welcome to this tutorial on stock adjustments. This feature is essential for maintaining accurate inventory levels, especially when dealing with discrepancies or unexpected inventory movements. First, log in to your Unity Enterprise account using your unique username and password. Next, navigate to the Inventory section and select Stock Adjustments. Choose the appropriate template for your adjustment. If you need help creating templates, please refer to our other tutorials. Select the pencil icon to record a new stock adjustment. Add the products you want to adjust by selecting the plus icon. Make sure to select the correct department group and unit of measure. Find the applicable products and click on Add Selected Products. Enter the quantity you want to adjust. Remember to use the correct unit of measure. Choose the reason for the adjustment and assign it to the responsible staff member. Review your adjustment. If correct, then finalize by clicking the double tick icon and selecting the appropriate period. Once confirmed, your stock levels will be updated accordingly. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your inventory and prevent unnecessary discrepancies.